Now I am going to show you another example. Public access modifier. The members of class that are declared public are easily accessible from any part of the program. All data members and member functions of class are public default. By default, those are public, So I will show you one example that is different from existing example what I have given. So now here I am creating superclass and subclasses. Superclass. So in this I am creating constructor by using init method, which is having two arguments by default self x comma y. So within this constructor, initializing the values x equal to 10, then y equal to 20. Then I am creating one method display instance method self keyword. Then within that I am performing operation print of self dot x plus self dot y. Addition operation I performed. Again here I am using inheritance concept. So class subclass I am having. Inheriting means acquiring properties from superclass to subclass, that you know. So how I can perform inheritance? So within the round brackets means parenthesis you can write superclass name. So right. So that means all the properties which are available in the superclass, those are available in subclass also. Parent properties available for child properties, right? So here I created superclass and subclass. Subclass extends to superclass. For this superclass I am creating constructor, okay, by using init method. So here also I am having two parameters and passing these two parameters to superclass constructor. How you can call that superclass constructor? Superclass name dot double underscore init double underscore of then self comma x comma y. So that means we are calling superclass constructor here. Okay, now after that, so I am using another method to perform operation def display method display one method. Okay, so here self argument is default. Then within this I can print operation self dot x plus x minus self dot y. Okay, performing subtraction operation here. After that, for we need to create object, right? Out of the class you can create. For which class we are going to create object? For subclass we need to create, so that I can access superclass also. Obj subclass name is what? Sub. How many parameters we have? Two parameters, 10 comma 20. I am passing, initializing that constructor, then calling subclass method obj dot display one method. Okay, and I want to print obj dot x value also, how much I can get. See here, Control S, save this one, give some name, inheritance public PY. Okay, done. So give some name, then run this program. Self dot x minus self 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 dot y, control s f5 minus 10 and 10. Got the point? So see the this example flow. We have called the constructor of subclass 10 and 20, 10 and 20 x value that we are passing for this value. That means we are calling constructor and we are giving values x and y. So after that it will go here and it will initialize that values, and finally we are calling object for subclass. Okay, so obj dot display method, so that we can get the values. Self dot x minus self dot y means 10 minus 20, that is minus 10. Okay, next, so I am trying to print object x value. So object x value is 10. Okay, so here if I want to print a superclass also, directly you can call like obj dot display. Okay, display method. Okay, now you can see superclass output also f5. Display method we are having control C, so control V, control S, F5. So you can get that addition also, addition 10 plus 20, 10 plus 20, 30 we can get here. Okay, so if you call this method, so in this way we can get both superclass and subclass also. So these are public variable and public methods, so that we can access anywhere. Okay, got it? Next thing is another example we are having, that is regarding to protected access specifier. So it will take a lot of time to write this one. Okay, so I will write and I will explain that one in the next session. Okay, thank you.